You never know when your car key could end up lost, broken or damaged. Whether you're stranded on the road or at home, make sure your first call is to Car Key Solutions, your trusted mobile auto locksmith. With our emergency call-out service, we'll be with you within the hour, and 99% of the time we'll have you back on the road the very same day. Serving London, the M25 and surrounding areas, we'll come to the rescue 7 days a week from morning till night. You can also visit us at one of our car key shops located in North London or South London for car key replacement while you wait. From locked steering wheels and doors to lost, stolen or broken car keys, or just for peace of mind if you want a spare car key, we'll get things fixed at prices that beat all major dealers. Our mobile fleet of highly trained technicians will arrive with the latest technology at hand to get you back in your car and can repair almost any make or model, from Audis to Volvos, Citroens to Toyotas. All you need to do is give us a call, tell us exactly where you are, what you need and your car details. Once we arrive, show us documentation to prove ownership of your vehicle and we'll get straight to work. Affordable rates, expert repairs and a reliable service are why Car Key Solutions is the UK's most trusted and reviewed auto locksmith and emergency response service, with a 5-star rating on Trustpilot and SafeBuy. We also provide a wide range of vehicle security products and services to deter thieves and minimise the risk of break-ins and theft. Don't be left locked out and stranded. Get expert assistance pronto with Car Key Solutions. Call us now on 020 3733 1096 or 020 4502 9161.